Andito kami ngayon sa Crocodile Farm dito sa Puerto Princesa. So bago kami pumasok sa loob para sa aming tour, ay nagpa-picture muna si Sarah kasama ang buhay na buhaya.
Hier met voorman.
Ngayon, kasama na namin ang aming tour guide at kinaguide po niya kami papasok sa hatchling house. So, ito po yung hatchling house kung saan makikita yung iba't ibang klase ng buhaya sa kanilang early stages. Meron po ditong freshwater crocodiles at meron ding saltwater crocodiles.
They are all male saltwater crocodiles. Feed them once a week as they have slow recovery. Saltwater crocodiles are widely distributed in Southeast Asia and Australia. So hindi ko siya albino sa kanyang
Dami yun. Yeah. They're ready to bite na. Calling na. Cooling na. Oh. Saan?
Ergens in de Boudewijnpark of zo.
Hi.
Welcome to Nature Park.
Die gaat springen.
Beercat.
Kan ik klimmen zijn?
Zeg, wil je eens wakker worden? Wake up, baby.
Wake up, wake up.
Wake up, baby.
Durian. Durian. They called it durian.
Durians.
What is that, Nats?
Denk je dat?
Die is juist naar buiten gekropen.
What,
Oei, die kan mij gewoon hier bevolkt.
what is that?
Je ziet alleen maar de
Ik denk
dingen.
dat hij ergens verstopt is. Daar of...
Daaronder, denk ik. Daarop.
Hey, wakey, wakey.
donker.
Monkey. It's like paddle.
Where?
Serpent igloo. Wow. It's awake. Uy. Oh, there's tree.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Hello.
Magalit yung pig. Hindi natin eh. Bye-bye, pig.
So, Be, anong masasabi mo? Anong masasabi mo sa ating tour ngayon?
The monkeys are scary. There are big crocodiles in here. There's so many animals. Kaso lang tulog yung iba. But anyways, it's pretty.
Pretty?
Yeah.
Like you.
Yuck. No.
So, gusto mo pang bumalik dito?
Siyempre. But sana with many more new animals.
Thank you. Saan? Yung nakatira dyan, puro langgam. Ano pa ba? Ano pa ba dyan? May fish din siguro. Niknik, lamok. Especially lamok.